everyone, welcome to my channel Betty Smiles. In this video I'll be sharing snack lunch ideas for the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and stick around for more. So in this video I'll be sharing some healthy snack lunch ideas that I feed my baby of 11 months old now, soon to be 1, and it's what he eats throughout the week. It varies week to week, day by day, but this is what I found this week. So on this specific day, I gave him some quinoa stir fry. So it was some quinoa with some vegetables, broccoli, carrots, and I had given him some noodles from my leftovers that I had the previous day. But I usually try to make a big batch for both of us for every single day that we're eating any type of food, so that I'm not making different types of food and just making myself work more. That's why I try to stick for us to eat the same thing. Since I had already made a big batch of quinoa, I'll add some egg the next day if I gave him the same thing, or I will try to add some sweet potato, like mashed sweet potato, so that it can stick to the quinoa. Since the quinoa tends to be dry, it's harder for him to feed himself, so I have to feed him that part, but I will just give him some of the vegetables so that he can eat on his own as well. And at the end of every meal, I try to give him 2 ounces of water or milk so that he can have something to drink after his meal. And he will still breastfeed maybe like an hour after his meal. It just depending how he feels or how much he ate for that afternoon. So right now for snack time, I gave him a little cucumber he's already munching on, and then I'm gonna give him some crackers with avocado in it. And he already had 2 with some vegan cream cheese, which is very delicious. He likes it. Since he sees me eating it, he wants it. So I'll just give him 2 more. He can have that too. This is what he gets for snack time for today. He doesn't get the same stuff every day. Sometimes he does. Like for the past 2-3 days, he's been getting blueberries. And sometimes when I feel like I'm falling behind on his snack lunchtime, I will just pop in a frozen bag of veggies and boil them or steam them and give him that for that lunch. Having some green beans, and we're trying out this chickpea banza chicken or any animal product. But although that this mac and cheese has, I thought it was like vegan cheese, and it has regular cheese, so I hope it doesn't give him the runs. We'll find out later on or tomorrow. And if he had a long nap or a late nap, I will just give him small snacks of fruits, any type of fruit, just cut them into small pieces and give him that snack, just so that he doesn't have heavier lunch meal, and then within an hour or 2 he'll have dinner again. So just to not mess up that pattern, try to keep him still to do 3 meals a day. I'll just give him a small snack. And it just varies throughout the day. Sometimes I'll give him oatmeal also, or yogurt. Yogurt is one of his favorites, so I'll try to give him yogurt as well for a late snack. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what my baby eats throughout the week for snack or lunchtime. And yeah, so stick around and for another video of what he eats for dinner time. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.